G'day everybody, it's Matt here from Stella's Life, and today I wanted to show you how to withdraw Australian dollars in fiat currency, so that's government issued Australian dollars, from the crypto.com app back into your Australian bank account. It's actually a pretty straightforward process, but there are a couple of requirements to make sure you meet first. Just before we jump into it though, I just want to say this is not financial advice or anything like that. This is literally just information on how to withdraw Australian dollars from the crypto.com app. And before choosing to use the app at all, you should do your own research and make sure it's right for you, because I can't tell you that. Now that that's out of the way, if you don't already have an account with crypto.com and you're thinking about signing up, just head down to the description and you'll find my referral link there, which will give you a $25 USD bonus paid in CRO into your account when you meet the staking requirements in the app. And if you also use the referral code that's down in the description for the crypto.com exchange, that will give you a 50 USD bonus paid in CRO when you meet the staking requirements on the exchange. So that's pretty awesome. Now, you got the app and you want to withdraw your AUD from it. So let's have a look. This is your dashboard or your home screen on the crypto.com app. And typically you've got your balance up the top, your favorites and so on. Now what we want to do is go to our accounts, which you can see down the bottom there, second from the left. So go to accounts, and from here you've got all the different kinds of accounts that you've actually got on the crypto.com ecosystem. So crypto wallet, exchange, etc. Right down the bottom there is your fiat wallet. So if you go and expand that one, this is where you do your Australian dollar withdrawals. To withdraw your Australian dollars from the crypto.com app, there's two requirements you have to meet first. One, you have to have made an Australian dollar deposit into your crypto.com account using PayID or OSCO, so instant payments. Once you've done that, crypto.com actually uses that to automatically link your bank account to the app. So you have to have made a deposit from an account that you want to withdraw back to. All right? So that's really important. Second thing is there's a minimum withdrawal amount of 100 Australian dollars. So you've got to have 100 AUD in here, and you can see it on the app. Now, I've got 100 AUD here. That's the minimum that you can withdraw. We want to withdraw this, so click that transfer button up the top, and that will bring up your transfer options, so we can either deposit or withdraw. So that's fairly self-explanatory. Click withdraw. From the withdraw screen, we want to select what fiat we're withdrawing. So down the bottom, we'll click Australian dollar. And from this screen, it's going to run you through the process. So first thing is to activate it. Now that's making sure you've made a payment in AUD via the instant payment network. Crypto.com calls it the NPP network, but basically this is a payment using PayID/OSCO. You then submit your withdrawal request in the app. It is manually reviewed by crypto.com before you can withdraw it, and that takes 2 to 4 business days to happen. Once that's done, you'll get a notification, and it'll then be processed, and your funds will be deposited into your bank account. And now that it says can take 1 to 4 business days for the funds to be processed. So if you scroll down, we can also see the detailed withdrawal limits. So minimum 100 AUD, maximum per day is 100,000 AUD, and the monthly maximum is 500,000 AUD. So just want to keep those in mind, and then go ahead and click that blue withdraw now button down the bottom. From this screen, it will show you the minimum 100 AUD. If you tap on that, you can change it. You can tap max just here to withdraw everything in the account. Down below, you can see what your monthly limit is and how much of that you've actually used already. And you can then see right down the bottom here, this Bendigo and Adelaide Bank. That's the bank that I've used to make a deposit from. Whatever bank you've made a deposit from will be shown here. So if you've made a deposit from multiple banks, you can pick them here. One other thing to note is that bank account must be in the same name that you've used to register your crypto.com account. Okay? So once you've done that, you can click Withdraw AUD. It'll show you what's happening and ask you to confirm. Now there are no fees on this withdrawal, but Crypto.com does note down the bottom here that your bank may charge you a fee to receive the deposit. I have not come across any banks that do, but it is worth just noting that As far as I'm aware, there's never been a fee on those deposits. Once you're done, click confirm and it will go through and begin that withdrawal process. So that's it. It's actually really quite simple to withdraw your Australian dollars from the crypto.com app. You just want to make sure you meet those requirements, that $100 minimum, and having made an instant payment using PayID into the account that comes from the same name account as what you have on the crypto.com app. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. And just before you go, I just wanted to remind you as well that you can get a 25 USD bonus paid in CRO if you sign up to the crypto.com app using the referral link down in the description, or you can also see my referral code just down there in the bottom corner, and that'll work the same way if you're signing up in the app. Also on the crypto.com exchange, you can get a 50 USD bonus paid in CRO if you use that same code down there or the link in the description when you sign up on the exchange. Now, you don't need to have used that code in the app if you already have an app account. When you sign up for the exchange, you can just use this code on the exchange. That's fine too. So that's it for me for now. Have an awesome day, and I will see you later.